Hi, my name is Teresa Chirota, the Maternal Health Advocates Project Manager and Spokesperson. Today I'll be talking about maternal mortality and I'll be putting more emphasis on Zimbabwe. I will give a brief overview of the statistics, talk about what causes maternal deaths, how to avoid them, and the call to action. Maternal mortality are deaths that occur as a result of pregnancy. They occur during pregnancy, labor, delivery, or during the postpartum period, with hemorrhage being the main cause. Approximately 529,000 women die due to pregnancy-related causes annually, and 99% of these occur in developing countries. Zimbabwe was ranked one of the 15 high-alert countries in 2017. In 2016, maternal mortality rate in Zimbabwe was at 650 deaths per 100,000 live births. Causes of maternal deaths include postpartum hemorrhage, too much bleeding after delivery of baby, eclampsia, convulsions caused by raised blood pressure in pregnancy, obstructed labor, sepsis, and other causes, for example, malaria in pregnancy. Some of the factors that affect pregnant women negatively in Zimbabwe include poverty, high medical care costs in private medical centers, long distance, especially in rural areas, long waiting hours in government or public health care centers, leading women to opt for other ways of delivery, for example, seeking help from untrained traditional midwives, where there is no professional care and no proper equipment, predisposing them to sepsis and other risks. I would like to share with you something that happened in one of the rural areas. A lady called Lisa was pregnant and she did not book her pregnancy or seek any medical attention during her pregnancy because the clinic was far away from her home. At 9 months, she got into labor and she chose to have one of her female relatives as a birth assistant. Her labor failed to progress and no one knew why, only to find out when it was too late that she had obstructed labor, and we lost both Lisa and the baby. It was going to be better to travel the long distance than to lose her life and the life of her baby. To avoid maternal deaths, book pregnancies and book them early. Seek professional medical care when you are sick during pregnancy. And deliver your baby at a medical center with qualified health professionals and proper equipment. The call to action. Maternal deaths can be avoided. For free maternal health care services, visit any government medical center close to you. Thank you to all our listeners for your time, and for more information visit us on the below link. This program is brought to you by Maternal Health Advocates in conjunction with World Health Organization and the Ministry of Health and Childcare, Zimbabwe.